Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will guide you through the step-by-step process of setting up two-factor authentication, 2FA, on your Gmail account to enhance your security. Implementing 2FA is essential in protecting your personal information and ensuring that only you can access your account. Step 1. Sign in to your Google account. Begin by navigating to the Google account sign-in page. Enter your email address and password to access your account. Step 2. Access security settings. Once you've signed in, go to the left sidebar and click on Security. Here, you'll find various options related to your account's security settings. Step 3. Find two-step verification. Scroll down the page until you locate the Signing into Google section. Click on Two-Step Verification. You'll be redirected to a new page that provides detailed information about the feature. Step 4. Start the setup process. Click the Get Started button to initiate the setup process. You may need to re-enter your password at this stage to verify your identity. Step 5. Choose your 2FA method. Next, you will choose how you want to receive your verification codes. You can select from several options, such as receiving SMS texts, using an authentication app like Google Authenticator, or opting for a security key. Choose the method that suits you best, and follow the prompts to set it up. Step 6. Enter the verification code. After you have chosen your method, you will be prompted to enter a code sent to your phone or generated by your authentication app. Input the code and click Next to proceed. Step 7. Confirm. Two-step verification is enabled. Once you correctly enter the code, you will see a confirmation message indicating that two-step verification is now enabled for your Gmail account. You can choose to add backup options, such as backup codes, to ensure you can access your account if you lose your primary 2FA method. Step 8. Review your security settings. Finally, take a moment to review your security settings. Ensure that your recovery phone number and email address are up to date to assist with account recovery in the future. By following these steps, you have successfully set up two-factor authentication on your Gmail account, significantly improving your account's security. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more helpful security tips and tricks.